subscribe right now, and this is my Instagram ID. You can go there and follow me there as well, because sometimes I'll upload reels. What's up, cuties? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, then hi, my name is Nidhi. I make videos related to fashion and beauty. And if you love seeing these kind of content, then please hit the subscribe button, because I'm sure you will love it. And this is my Instagram ID. You can go there and follow me there as well, so you don't miss out any of the content. So for today's video, I have something very interesting. I think you all know by the title now. तो मैंने ये प्रिटी सा लुक किया है जो आलिया भट्ट ने किया था अपने अलोर के चैनल पे, कुछ तो 10 मिनट मेकअप रूटीन चैलेंज कुछ तो था. तो शी डिड दैट एंड शी अचीव दिस वेरी प्रिटी लुक, एंड आई हैव ट्राइड दिस ऑन माई स्किन, क्योंकि शी इज़ वेरी फेयर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, तो एवरीथिंग लुक्स गुड ऑन हर एंड शी हैज़ ब्यूटिफुल फ्लॉलेस स्किन एज वेल. हमारे में तो बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन है, तो yeah, I wanted to see that on myself as well, so I tried my best. And I would like to mention that she was using very high-end products which we don't have, but I think we have enough products to achieve this. So if I can do it, then you can also do it. So yes, so let's just get into the video, because I don't want to bore you guys. And about this look, I think this is very pretty, because in general in my mirror it's looking very cute. Yes, it's looking very cute. So, and it's first of all it's not looking very cakey or heavy. तो अगर आप everyday के लिए कुछ inspiration ढूंढ रहे हो, तो भी I think this makeup routine is very quick and very beautiful. So I think you should go for this and try this look for yourself. So let's begin with the video. So as you all know that I don't have my phone with me, because I shoot with my phone. So I have written everything, the steps and how she was using. So I don't have to look to the video, and I can directly do it on myself. So first step, what she does, what priming. And for primer she used something mixed with stop cream and highlighter का थोड़ा सा effect. So I'm expecting कि वो थोड़ा सा glittery था, जो कि हमारे पास नहीं है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम अपने प्राइमर में थोड़ा सा हाइलाइटर मिलाने की कोशिश करके देखते हैं, शायद काम बन जाए. बिकॉज आई हैव लिक्विड हाइलाइटर, तो वो हम प्राइमर में मिक्स करके यूज़ करके देखते हैं. तो हाइलाइटर मेरे पास ये मिनीसो का है, जो मैंने रिसेंटली लिया था, बट आई डिड नॉट यूज़ इट दैट मच. तो आई थिंक टुडे इज़ द टाइम व्हेन आई विल यूज़ इट. तो मैं बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा मिक्स करती हूँ. एंड द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस वन कि व्हाट शी वाज यूजिंग वो थोड़ा सा ग्लोई और पिंकिश था, तो इसमें भी थोड़ा सा पिंकिश टिंट है, आई वुड से. लेट्स सी, आई होप दिस वर्क्स, अदरवाइज I don't know how it will look. So this is how the primer is looking. I think it will be fine. So okay, I kind of like it, because this is giving very nice glow to the skin. Wow. It can be a really good trick for me अगर ये काम करता है, because wow. Because I have mixed highlighter, तो मैं इसको प्रेफर कर रही हूँ कि मैं पूरे फेस पे लगाऊं, क्योंकि नहीं तो आई डोंट थिंक कि उतना अच्छा इफेक्ट आएगा, क्योंकि फिर वो पैची लगेगा कि कहीं पे हाइलाइटर है कहीं पे नहीं है. तो मैंने ऑलमोस्ट पूरे ही फेस पे लगा लिया इसको. But I'm really liking the glow, the shine. It has very subtle shine, which I really like. And then after priming her face, she used a tint. In this case, we have a lot of pigmentation around this, like acne marks and all. I have lots of pigmentation on my face, so I think I'm gonna cover that first and then I'll go with the tint. So to color correct, I'm not using anything like too much. I'm just using my same shade concealer and I'll try to cover as much as I could, because she did very simple everyday kind of look, so she didn't use that many product and she has beautiful skin. तो और हम कहाँ, हमारा तो 1 लीटर पानी भी नहीं हो पाता पूरे दिन. I'm not expecting that much beauty, but I'll try my best. Okay, and one more thing, she was mentioning that she's trying to grow her eyebrows, तो मेरी भी eyebrows काफी weird हो रखी हैं इस time, like they are not in good shape, which I have to do, but मैंने अभी नहीं करी है, तो let's go with it. Okay, I think this much coverage is fine. And now let's do tint. So for tint, she was using some obviously bigger brands, and I have this Maybelline ka Fit Me tint, which is really good. I really like the finish of this one. मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही निकाल लिया, इतना मुझे नहीं चाहिए. तो पहले मैं इसको अपने हाथ में ऐसे थोड़ा सा वार्म अप कर लेती हूँ, उसके बाद आई यूज़ इट विद माई ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. तो लेट्स गो. एंड आई एम स्पीकिंग वेरी, मतलब उतना लाउड नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे गले में मुझे अभी कुछ दिनों से ही लाइक थोड़ा सा खराश सी फील हो रही है, लाइक बहुत हल्का सा. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ बिगिनिंग स्टेज ऑफ कफ और समथिंग, so that's why I'm not speaking very loudly. Okay, I'll tell you one thing कि अभी तक जितना मैंने मेकअप किया है, I think the base is looking very glossy या glowy, I would say, because अच्छा लग रहा है. I think I never try mixing my primer and highlighter together, but I think it's a good option. मैं थोड़ा सा नेक पे भी लगाऊंगी, बिकॉज हम आलिया भट्ट नहीं है, तो we'll try. और मेरे पास बहुत सारा प्रोडक्ट बच गया है, विच इज वेस्ट नाउ. ठीक है, आई थिंक माई टेंट इज लुकिंग गुड. बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज भी नहीं है, इट्स वेरी शेयर, एंड yeah, I think it's pretty good for now. So let's move on to the next step, which is concealer. So she used only for the coverage only, like हल्के से dark circles, and if she has any dark spots here and there, तो बस वही किया था. तो मैं थोड़ा सा आईज को करेक्ट करने वाली हूँ, दैट्स इट, क्योंकि हमने ऑलरेडी कंसीलर नीचे लगाया हुआ था, तो आई थिंक आई एम नॉट गोना डू दैट मच. सो फॉर कंसीलर आई एम गोना मिक्स टू कंसीलर विच आर लाइक मेरा ही शेड, क्योंकि हम सिर्फ कलर करेक्ट करने वाले हैं डार्क सर्कल्स एंड ऑल. तो दिस वन इज फ्रॉम टार्ट एंड इट्स अ लिटिल टू क्रीमी फॉर मी, तो मैं कभी कभी इसको मिक्स करके यूज़ करती हूँ. और ज़ाज़ू के बाल सब्जी के. Now I'm gonna blend everything. Wow, this is actually looking very pretty, like very natural base. And I think हम ये try कर सकते हैं if you are trying something for everyday और बहुत कैजुअल मेकअप के लिए कुछ चाहिए, तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड टेक्निक टू फॉलो फॉर योर बेस, बिकॉज दिस इज लुकिंग वेरी नेचुरल इन द मिरर विच आई हैव राइट हियर. सो आफ्टर दिस शी यूज्ड a cheek tint. So for that I think I'm gonna use this and she was doing a very pinky peachy bronzed look on herself. तो उसके लिए she was using more of peachy and pink tones in the blush and eyeshadow and lipstick. So I'm gonna find something. Okay, so I think this is a very good alternative. So this is also from Miniso, the blush stick, and it's in the shade pink. So I think this is the perfect pink she was using, and I think this will look good on brown skin as well. So अभी इसमें थोड़ा सा खेल था because what she did, she dragged the blush through here and nose के ऊपर, then till here. So she made a full circle like this and then on the nose as well. So I hope this work on me as well. I don't know. I hope this is not too much for me. And she was blending it with the hand only. So I hope it will blend nicely. So yeah, if you can see, I made the full W. Now I'm gonna blend this. Okay, I need my blender because otherwise it will be too much blush for me. Okay, it's looking very pretty. Actually, before I was थोड़ा सा scared कि I don't know how it will look, but it's looking very pretty. Okay, so this one is from Mini Show, so I think this is not that much pigmented, but I can see myself in the mirror and it's pretty good. Okay, so this is how the base looks till now. Next, she does contour a little bit. So for that, she was using a stick, but I don't have that. तो मेरे पास ना इकलौता जो ब्रॉन्जर है वो इस पैलेट से है, गश का ट्रियो पैलेट, स्टैक्ड इन योर फेवर. यस, दैट्स व्हाट द नेम सेज. तो इसका जो लास्ट ब्रिक था वो ब्रॉन्जर था, तो अभी हमारे पास ये भी था में है. तो बट आई थिंक काम चल जाएगा बिकॉज साइड में थोड़ा थोड़ा सा है, तो आई कैन स्टिल यूज इट. आई थिंक I need a smaller brush to dig in. Okay, so I found a brush. Now I'm trying to take as much as I can. And double chin, and she used a little bit here as well. And she used थोड़ा सा इधर पे शायद. Yeah, I think this much is fine for now because we are going for a more natural look, and then I'm gonna mix it with my blender. I love this palette from Gush because it blends very smoothly. Like the products are very very good. मैंने बस इस पैलेट का हाइलाइटर नहीं टच किया है because I feel that was too glittery and chunky. Otherwise I think मैंने इसका ब्लश भी यूज़ किया है बहुत, and this bronzer is also gone almost. Okay, this much only. I think we are not going crazy with anything. Next we are going to powder the under eye and the places where we used concealer. But since we are oily skin, तो हम थोड़ा सा ये स्माइल लाइन के पास भी यूज़ कर लेते हैं, एंड थोड़ा सा चिन, बेसिकली द टी जोन, वी आर गोना कवर एवरीथिंग. थोड़ा थोड़ा मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ, जितना मैंने वीडियो में देखा था उतना तो मैं करूँ ही, बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट. बट अभी तक मुझे बेस मेरा बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइक आई कैन डेफिनेटली सी माई सेल्फ वेयरिंग दिस इन एनी कैजुअल डे. So let's move on to eyes now. So for eyes, she used mostly peachy and pinky colors. So for that, I'm gonna mix two palette together. मेरे पास दो ही हैं वैसे तो मेरे पास ये दो पैलेट है बस. तो पीच मैं इसमें से लेने वाली हूँ एंड पिंक मैं इसमें से लेने वाली हूँ बिकॉज इट हैज लिटिल बिट पिंक. तो आई थिंक काम चल जाएगा. So this is from Eye Magic and this is from Colourpop. Yes, cute AF. This is a very old palette. I still use it. So let's go with the peach shade first. So for the peach, I'm gonna take this one because I think she might use this one because she is very fair and all. But I'm gonna use this one because but still I'm gonna mix these two together. तो बहुत ज़्यादा peachy नहीं हो. And हम इसको पूरे क्रीज पे अच्छे से यूज करेंगे. What happened? And then सेम शेड को हम लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी हल्का सा लगाएंगे. को लोअर लैश लाइन में लगाने में मौत आती है लिटरली क्योंकि मेरी आंखें बहुत जल्दी वाटरी हो जाती हैं. तो and then I'm gonna take the peach and pink color. So I'm gonna take this pink but I'll mix this pink as well. So ये दोनों pink को mix करके हम थोड़ा lighter सा shade बनाएंगे because एक ऐसा है जो मेरी स्किन पे बिल्कुल नहीं दिखने वाला, दूसरा ऐसा है जो बहुत ज़्यादा दिखने वाला है. तो I need to find a midway. आई थिंक अभी तक सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ खराब नहीं हो बस. I think this is enough pink I can put in my skin tone. And then she used a little lighter pinkish tone for inner corners. So for inner corner I'm gonna take this color which is like very pale pinkish color. I hope this will work. Which is fine I think. कुछ खास फर्क पड़ नहीं रहा because my skin shade is like that. मतलब अगर मैं थोड़ा पेल कलर लगाऊंगी तो I don't think it will show up on my skin. तो let's not try hard but I think this is enough pink for my skin. So next up she did some mascara but before putting mascara she curled her lashes. So I'm gonna do the same. And this is something which I also follow because I have no eyelashes. तो ये करने से एटलीस्ट थोड़ी सी तो विजिबल होती है मेरे लिए. तो आई लव डूइंग दिस. एंड देन she used the mascara. She used the Gucci one but I have this Benefit का bang mascara which is my most favorite because इसमें एक तो इतना ज़्यादा the wand is very flexible first and then उसमें इतना ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट नहीं आता that you have to like it's like very subtle minimal जितना चाहिए उतना ही आता है. And this doesn't make my eyelashes look very like ऐसे clumsy सी नहीं लगती हैं. They are well separated and they look very natural. That's what I love about this one. So what she did during putting mascara, so she did not just go like very deep with the wand. She just used it on the tip of the lashes because she was telling she has beautiful eyelashes like long and everything. So she did not use that one but I don't have lashes either but I'm gonna follow her technique. तो हम भी सिर्फ फ्रंट में ही लगा रहे हैं like we are not going too deep with the mascara. And for lower lash line she used another mascara मेरे पास नहीं है, तो आई एम गोना यूज दिस वन ओनली. I think this is enough, and I hope you can see my lashes too. But since we are going to the natural way, like हम बहुत ज़्यादा dramatic makeup नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो I think this is fine. Next, she did her eyebrows. So for eyebrows, she was not using much because she had like such beautiful eyebrows, like fuller and everything. Mine is like crusty, rusty, and whatnot. Mine are not even in shape. So I'm gonna use two products for this. I'm gonna use the pencil. This is from Swiss Miss Claire, and this is from Maybelline. This is their tint tattoo something. Yes, tattoo brows. So this is gel to set your eyebrows to keep in places. So I'm gonna use these two together. So first I'm gonna fill my eyebrows because I'm not following her way because she did not use that much product and she was having like very beautiful brows जो मेरे पास नहीं है, like नहीं मतलब उतनी fuller नहीं है, but I think they are in good shape, like it's not very bad, but yeah, we'll manage somehow. I'll try to make them even. Now this is fine, at least visible. Look at the difference. Now I think they look pretty similar. And now I'm gonna use this gel to set them in place. Not a lot. बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्के हाथों से because this is very pigmented. Now I think you can see my brows. Next she used a powder blush. So the rhythm of the product was really weird because कभी भी कुछ भी हो रहा था, तो let's not judge it because I'm going with the same flow what she was doing. तो अदरवाइज मैं पहले क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स लगाती हूँ और उसके तुरंत बाद मैं पाउडर से सब कुछ सेट करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि नहीं तो एज आई एम लाइक टोल्ड यू दैट आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, तो सब कुछ क्रीज होने लगता है which I don't want. So this is the blush, and next she did contour as well, like bronzing powder. So bronzing powder के लिए she was using Hourglass का palette, but let's manifest कि someday I can afford that too. But right now we are gonna use this Rimmel London का टोटा हुआ ढक्कन, and this is the bronzer, and I love this bronzer because this is एक तो it's not too harsh and plus it doesn't have any glitter in it, it's completely matte, so this is just perfect. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है, तो it doesn't look very unnatural if you put. So this is this, and I love my base and makeup everything today because it's looking very natural. बहुत ही ज़्यादा natural लग रहा है in the mirror as well. So I'm very surprised. Then she used highlighter stick, so it's mostly creamy. So for cream highlighter, I think today is the time we use the highlighter of this palette, which is intact. So this one is actually not powder or cream. I don't know if it's powder or cream. I'm not able to judge it properly because it's coming off as powder, but then this whole palette is cream. Let me see with the brush. Oh yes, it's a powder because I can see the dust. Wow. चलो हम पाउडर यूज कर लेते हैं फिर जब अब लगा ही लिया तो. Hmm. Okay, I don't hate it, I guess, because now I can see it's not that chunky. Maybe I was using it the wrong way, though. Okay, this much is fine because she did not overdid anything. So everything was very subtle. So I think this much highlighter is enough, and it's not too much glow. So I think it's perfect. Next, she did pinky matte lips. So for that, matte. She used a liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna use this L'Oreal ka lipstick in the shade 1 to 1 choose. I choose, which is very pinky shade for me, but it's very light on the lips, so I like using this one. She also used a very little amount of lipsticks, so I think this much is fine. My whole hand is a mess right now. सब कुछ सब जगह है. And my clothes also. So next she used a lip balm which I don't have. I have this Ikalota lip gloss which is from Rudka lipstick. So it comes with a lipstick and this lip gloss. So I'm gonna use this instead. But not too much because she was using lip balm which is not that much. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ही लगा के I'm just spreading it everywhere. बिकॉज लिप बाम में उतना शाइन नहीं होता है जितना लिप ग्लॉस में होता है, तो आई एम यूजिंग वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट ताकि ज़्यादा नहीं हो. आई थिंक मुझे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लग रहा है, तो आई एम गोना यूज अ टिश्यू. आई थिंक दिस मच इज फाइन. So this is everything what she did. She did not use a setting spray, but I'm gonna use it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I tried my best to achieve this look which is very good. I love it so much because it's looking very natural. This is the best thing about this makeup, and it's not looking like too heavy or feeling too heavy. It's very natural and very subtle. You can wear this anywhere, trust me. And do try it because this is a very beautiful look. I think जिसको मेकअप नहीं भी करना पसंद है वो भी कर सकते हैं because it's looking very pretty. And I'm really loving it because this is very natural and you can wear this every day literally, which I like about this look so much कि आप इसको कभी भी और कैसे भी पहन सकते हो. लाइक ये लुक बहुत ही नेचुरल है. I can see myself in the mirror and it's looking very beautiful. So trust me, you give it a try and do let me know if you try it. Till then, you can like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.